spoil your life, bro.
Assalamu alaikum. My dear brothers, I was in 16-year-old boy when my father was passed away. I was living in the city. I joined the bad guys company, bad society. Then I start learn to bad things, smoking, drinking. My mother was telling me to keep away yourself from bad guys. They're gonna destroying your life. They're gonna teach you wrong things. Even there are some people who was selling those poisons, wrong stuff. They was start giving me free to get addicted with these things. So I wasn't know time will change. It's gonna destroying my life, dreams, everything. So today I'm in front of you. I tell you guys, please keep away yourself from the bad guys, bad companies who teach you wrong things. He never ever be your friend. He's your enemy.